Do you need to print a copy of a document, but you don't care if it looks as pretty as you want the final printout to look? If so, you need to print a draft copy, as discussed in this quick tip. Word allows you to print drafts of your documents. This feature can be very helpful in speeding up the printing process, particularly if you have a complex document with lots of fonts and graphics, or a slow printer, or both of those things. When printing drafts, the final fonts are not used, nor are the graphics printed in place. To print a draft, we need to jump over to the Word Options dialog box. And then at the left side of the screen, we're going to click on Advanced. Now we're going to scroll down to the place in the options where it says Print. It's the Print section right down here. This is the option that you want to pay attention to. It's the checkbox that controls printing and draft quality. If this option is selected, then all printing will be in draft mode. If the checkbox is cleared, then regular printing occurs. All you have to do is make your change, go ahead and click on OK, and now any printing that you do in the future will use draft quality. Notice that there are no changes on the document itself in what you see on the screen. Remember that the exact way in which draft printing is implemented is, in large part, up to your printer. This means that you shouldn't be surprised if you get different results doing a draft print on one printer as compared to another printer. When you want to change back to regular printing, all you have to do is go through the same steps all over again, and then clear that checkbox, and your printing will be back to normal. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.